Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest update for the Google Nest Wi-Fi router and point, which was just released in April 2026. The Google Nest Wi-Fi router and point are some of the most popular mesh networking devices on the market, known for their ease of use and strong performance. In terms of design and build, the Nest Wi-Fi router and point are sleek and compact, making them easy to place anywhere in your home. They're also very easy to set up, with the Google Home app guiding you through the process step by step. The Nest Wi-Fi router is now on software version 14150.883.231, while the point is on version 1.56.3.497142. These updates bring stability and security vulnerability fixes, which is great news for anyone who values the security of their home network. In terms of specs and performance, the Nest Wi-Fi router and point are both very powerful, with the ability to provide fast and reliable internet to every corner of your home. They're also very easy to use, with a simple and intuitive app that lets you control everything from your smartphone. One of the best features of the Nest Wi-Fi router and point is their ability to automatically update overnight, which means you'll always have the latest security patches and features without having to lift a finger. To manually check for updates, simply select your Nest Wi-Fi router from the All Devices tab and tap the Settings gear icon, then find Software Information under the Wi-Fi Information section. There aren't any new features in this update, but the stability and security fixes are certainly welcome. As for rumors and leaks, there haven't been any recent rumors about new Nest Wi-Fi devices, but it's possible that Google could be working on something new behind the scenes. There's no expected release date or price for any new devices, but we'll be sure to let you know if we hear anything. In our verdict, the Google Nest Wi-Fi router and point are both excellent choices for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use mesh networking system. They're very easy to set up and use, and they provide fast and reliable internet to every corner of your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. We post new videos every week, so be sure to check back soon for more updates on the latest tech news.